Fox Blocks, wonderful Wednesdays. Here we are in New Mexico, Socorro, New Mexico. And out there is the outstanding campus. It's New Mexico Tech, the premier mining, engineering, technology university in New Mexico. And they're getting a new building. It's called Kelly Hall, and this is phase one of Kelly Hall. And what you're looking at there are work being done by Beaty Masonry, premier masonry contractor, commercial grade ICF contractor in New Mexico. GC'd by Franken Construction, love those guys, and especially the design by Vigil and Associates, who just really get solid concrete core walls with massive 2 5/8 inches of insulation, delivering 40% operational cost reductions, heating, cooling loads, and remarkable structural integrity and acoustic benefits. So we're having fun in New Mexico.